back to my channel. We're starting off with no makeup, and something I haven't done yet, which I have wanted to do since the beginning, I just have kind of been forgetting, is just starting off by saying that beauty comes from within. We all set our own kind of standards on what is beautiful, so just make sure that you are just loving yourself always, no matter if you have makeup on or if you don't have makeup off, or if you don't have makeup on. Just remember that you are beautiful no matter what. I like to surround myself with lots of really cute sayings around my house just to kind of reinforce really positive sayings, so do what's best for you. But as you can see, I like to keep these kinds of signs everywhere. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You always can. Like, you can do anything. So just remember that. I also wanted to say, that makeup is just paint. Like, it's literally just color that you're adding to your face. It's your face that is making the makeup beautiful. You're the canvas, you're the start of the beauty. There's no way the makeup could do it without you, honestly, right? So just remember that when you're looking at all of the beautiful models on Instagram and just all the beautiful people in the world, that it's just makeup added onto their already beautiful face. So yeah, that's the same place you're starting off also. So yeah, just remember that. I'm gonna start off a little bit differently today than I normally do. I'm gonna start with my eyes today because I'm gonna be going for a really dark look, and I don't want a whole bunch of fallout all over my cute foundation. So I think I'm gonna start with some concealer all over my eyes, and that's just gonna create a really good base layer so all of my pigment doesn't kind of stick to any of my like oily spots on my eyes. As you can tell, I've already pre-oiled my face with some vitamin C and some moisturizer. I've let it sit now for probably a couple hours, and I'm not really doing any primer. So here we go. So after I have applied all of my concealer to my eyes, I'm going to go through and do some powder on them, just a light cover, that way they don't get all oily. Right guys, I am going for a super dark look today, so I am going to start by building my crease color, and I'm going to start off in my crease, and I'm going to start out with a super light brown and then just slowly pick up darker and darker shades. Starting out with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using Brown Smokey 25B. It looks like this. It's so cute. I like how mine's really greasy. Anyway, this is what mine looks like. Okay, you guys, I think I have the right amount of concealer. It does look like a mess right now. I can admit it. We're gonna get through it. We always do, right? So now I'm going to grab my darkest purple shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to apply that with my finger all over my lid. Right, so now I'm gonna pick up on my blending brush with my dark brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to work that into the crease, blending out the dark purple shade. Alright, so I went through and I cleaned off underneath my eye with a little makeup remover, and now I'm going to go forward with some foundation. So I think the foundation I'm going to use today is the Tarte one. So the Tarte one that I'm going to be using today is this Tarte. It's a multitask foundation, and it doesn't say it on here. Oh no, it does say it. It says Found Concealer. So it's a foundation concealer, so that means that you can apply it all over your face, but also if you need to just cover some acne, it works perfect for just being like really pigmented in one little teeny spot, or you can also blend it out and it blends out really really nice also. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this with my fingers and just add it all over my face. I don't really use foundation brushes or anything like that. I really like to warm this this skin with my hands and get in there and get dirty. Some powder on this face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Honestly guys, it's probably the only powder I'm ever going to use. It's just so amazing, so underrated. Everyone needs to use it. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to do a really light bronze of my whole face, just getting the forehead area. I like to do here to like my temples, and then just the cheeks are here, and then down right here. Because this foundation is so, I don't know, it's kind of like a little bit more white, I might just do a little bit of extra just to kind of make my face seem less white. So if you slipped up like I did just a little bit right here with your bronzer, go ahead and take some powder. I'm just going to take some powder and just put it over the top of my nose, just right over where that powder is. That way all of this area right here gets a little bit more white. Don't mind my super dirty little blender here. All right, so while I have my under eye baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom of my lid. I'm gonna be picking up on our first transition shade from our little Morphe palette. So I'm picking this first one, and we are gonna be starting out with the same process that we did on the top lid, we are going to do on the bottom. Just got this little Benefit thing. How cute! It's this, and it is a 4-in-1 brower. It is a 4-in-1 brower contour pen, and it looks like it has a light shade for your eyebrows, a dark shade for your eyebrows, a top kind of concealer shade and a highlighter shade for your arch. So I'm really excited to start using this. I think I'm going to, has these little like things that you can like push down. Like, does this bring you back to like elementary school or what? Just takes me right there. So I'm going to pick up on the light shade. And by the way, I'm using the brown medium one. And I believe I'm just going to twist this until I start to see some product, which I do. And I'm just going to start lining the top of the brow and the bottom of the brow. Okay, so I'm looking crazy. This product is lovely. It's kind of hard to blend once you have it on your eyebrows. You know, whether that's my eyebrows or they didn't really give a spoolie either, so I'm kind of using a spoolie that I already have, so I'm not sure it's specifically designed for this product, but I'm going to go through and wipe down all my powder and then move on to adding some hair-like texture through my brows with the darker shade. And yeah, I'll meet you. Okay, so we are not done yet. I am going to throw down the highlighter shade and I'm going to now line my brows all the way around, and hopefully that will help kind of tame these bad boys. I know right now they are seeming thick, and that's okay. Hopefully we're gonna fix it, and if not, that's also okay. So I've gone around and I have highlighted the outside of my eyebrow. And now I'm going to go through with a brush and kind of blend it in. So now I'm going to go through and add my favorite eyebrow gel. My favorite one right now is this e.l.f. one, mainly because it's $2, and I don't know about you, but I find that gels for my eyebrows, they dry out so fast. It's literally crazy. I feel like I have them for like a week and then they're just dry messes, and when that happens it starts to scrape off my hard-earned eyebrows, and honestly guys, like, what's worse? What's worse? So I don't know, I just toggle between the brow gel and the mascara on here because honestly I feel like they're the same. I just prefer a really messy brow. I don't know. I'm just gonna brush these bad boys up. They are going to still be out of control, but it's fine. That's how I like them. Today I want just a super kind of light pink, like baby pink blush. So I'm going to pick up the pigment shade in the Conspiracy palette and use that as a blush. I'm going to make sure to wipe some of that off since I have learned before that a little bit goes a long way. Ah, so pretty. Is that not the prettiest blush? Okay, so I'm going to pick up on a highlighter now. I'm going to be using the Becca Cosmetics Opal shade, and I'm going to just be applying that to the tops of my cheekbones, and my nose and my lip. So you could stop here and this would be really beautiful with a winged eyeliner and some mascara, maybe some lashes would look great. You could do some inner corner highlight and also make this a completed look. But I'm going to go a little bit extra, and I'm going to be adding one of the Stila liquid eyeshadows to just my lid, and I'm going to be using the shade Spellbound, which is kind of like so cute. It's like a purple with like black mixed in, which is kind of weird, but I will show you. Guys, we've almost made it to the finish line. I'm gonna pick up on a blender brush and the dark purple shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to blend out this portion on both sides. Okay, so last thing I'm gonna do to complete this look is pick up on an inner corner highlighting shade, and today I chose the Diet Cola shade in the Conspiracy palette. This is a silver tone, and yeah, I think it's just gonna make it kind of a fun kind of New Year sparkly look. Guys, so since I'm a little bit extra, I'm gonna be finishing this look with some red lipstick. I think since it's the holidays, it kind of just makes it fun, and I just always love red lipstick, so when in doubt, apply red lipstick. Guys, this is the finished look. I chose to ruin it with some eyeliner. I hope you make better choices than I can. I would probably just finish this with some really cute lashes and head out the door. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of holiday, kind of New Year's, purple, sparkly, red lipstick, glam, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you have a really lovely Christmas and a really great New Year. Thank you so much for sticking with me this whole time. Thanks for watching my video, and please like my video, please subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time.